Welcome to Systelligence. My name is Murli. This channel is faceless by necessity, not choice. I had a brain stroke that affected my speech. It gave me spastic dysarthria, but I never lost my knowledge. 20 years of Linux and DevOps experience. Today we cover post-quantum cryptography for SSH. Why your servers are vulnerable today. How to protect them tomorrow. Let us begin. Post-quantum cryptography is the future of encryption. Today, your SSH traffic is safe. RSA 2048, encryption takes thousands of years to break. Classical computers cannot crack it. But quantum computers are different. Quantum computers can break RSA in minutes. Not years, not decades. There it is. This is the quantum threat. Adversaries know this. They are harvesting encrypted SSH traffic today. They store it. They wait for quantum computers. When quantum computers arrive, they decrypt the stored traffic. This is called Harvest Now Decrypt Later. Your current SSH sessions are vulnerable to this attack. Even though they are encrypted today, they will be decrypted tomorrow. Post-quantum cryptography solves this problem. It uses algorithms that quantum computers cannot break. Even with quantum computers, these algorithms remain secure. This is why post-quantum cryptography matters. NIST has approved post-quantum cryptography algorithms. These algorithms are standardized and tested. There are 4 main categories. First is lattice-based cryptography. Kyber is a lattice-based key encapsulation mechanism. Dilithium is a lattice-based digital signature algorithm. Second is code-based cryptography. These algorithms use error-correcting codes. Third is multivariate polynomial cryptography. Fourth is hash-based signatures. Each category has strengths and weaknesses. Lattice-based is the most practical for SSH. Kyber and Dilithium are already integrated into OpenSSH. Classical encryption like RSA 2048 uses mathematical factorization. Quantum computers can factor large numbers quickly. Post-quantum algorithms use different mathematical problems. Lattice problems are hard even for quantum computers. Code-based problems are hard even for quantum computers. These algorithms are computationally harder than classical methods, but modern servers can handle the extra computation. This is the future of encryption. Post-quantum cryptography support is available today. Ubuntu 22.04 and latest support PQC, RGL9. And latest support PQC, Debian 12 and latest support PQC, OpenSSH version 8.9 and latest support PQC. This is not future technology. This is available right now. Installation requires the Libox library. Libox is an open source library from the Linux Foundation. It implements all NIST approved post-quantum algorithms. On Ubuntu, install with apt get install Libox. On Arhel, install with yum install Libox. On Debian, install with apt OpenSSH must be compiled with Libox support. Most distributions already include PQC-enabled OpenSSH. Check your SSH version with SS-V. Version 8.9 or later means PQC is available. Your Linux server can be quantum safe today. No waiting for future releases. No waiting for new hardware. The tools are available now. Harvest Now Decrypt Later is a real threat timeline. Phase 1 is happening today. Adversaries intercept encrypted SSH traffic. They capture it and store it. They have your encrypted sessions backed up. Phase 2 happens in 5 to 10 years. Quantum computers become practical. Organizations build quantum computers. Governments build quantum computers. Companies build quantum computers. Phase 3 is decryption. Adversaries take the stored SSH traffic. They decrypt it with quantum computers. Suddenly, All your historical SSH sessions are compromised. Passwords are exposed. Private keys are exposed. Confidential commands are exposed. This happened years ago, but is only discovered now. The attacker has access to everything. This is why post-quantum cryptography is urgent. You must switch now, not later, not eventually. Now, every SSH session encrypted with post-quantum cryptography is safe from this attack. Even if quantum computers arrive, your data is protected. SSH key exchange has evolved over time. Classical key exchange uses Diffie-Hellman. Diffie-Hellman is fast and secure against classical computers, but quantum computers can break Diffie-Hellman. ECDH is elliptic curve. Diffie-Hellman. ECDH is faster than Diffie-Hellman, but quantum computers can break ECDH too. Post-quantum key exchange uses different mathematics. Kyber key encapsulation is post-quantum safe. Hybrid approach means both classical and post-quantum simultaneously. You use Diffie-Hellman and Kyber at the same time. If one is broken, the other protects you. Hybrid mode is the transition strategy. Future SSH will use only post-quantum algorithms. Classical algorithms will be removed. But today, hybrid is the safest approach. It protects against both classical and quantum attackers. This is the roadmap for SSH evolution. Classical to hybrid to post-quantum only. Each phase improves security. Your Linux server should be on this roadmap today. That covers post-quantum cryptography fundamentals. You now understand the quantum threat. In the next video, we implement PQC on Linux SSH. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. See you in the next video.